Imagine growing a full salad's worth of greens in under a week, with zero soil, minimal water, and maximized yield. That's the power of soilless farming. And hydroponics and aeroponics are not just curiosities, they're cornerstones of next-generation gardening. The promise of a soil-free harvest. Imagine cultivating a lush, vibrant garden, bursting with crisp lettuces, fragrant herbs, all without a single speck of soil. Picture harvesting a full salad in a fraction of the time it would take in a traditional garden bed, using remarkably little water. This is not a futuristic fantasy, but the brilliant reality of soilless farming, a revolutionary approach to growing our food. This method promises not only speed, but also efficiency and control, allowing us to create perfect growing conditions indoors, year-round. It's a wonderful way to bring the freshest ingredients directly into your kitchen, no matter the season or the size of your living space, making gardening accessible to everyone. At the forefront of this exciting agricultural frontier are two prominent methods: hydroponics and aeroponics. Both systems elegantly bypass the need for soil, delivering a precisely balanced liquid diet of water and essential nutrients directly to the plant's roots. This direct feeding allows the plants to channel their energy into vigorous growth, producing strong, healthy foliage and abundant yields. While they share this fundamental principle, the ways in which they accomplish this feat are beautifully distinct. Understanding these differences is the key to unlocking the full potential of your own indoor garden and choosing the system that is just right for you. This essay will serve as your guide through this fascinating world, comparing the established, reliable method of hydroponics against the high-tech, cutting-edge approach of aeroponics. Hydroponics, the art of water-based cultivation. At its heart, hydroponics is the classic, time-honored method of growing plants without soil, directly in nutrient-rich water. It's a wonderfully straightforward concept where roots are submerged or consistently moistened by a specially prepared solution. This solution contains all essential minerals and nutrients plants usually draw from soil, but in a readily available form. Imagine providing your plants a perfectly balanced, all-inclusive meal delivered to their root tips. Systems can range from simple passive setups to more active ones with pumps and air stones to oxygenate the water. Oxygenation is vital for healthy root development and nutrient absorption. There are several popular hydroponic techniques. Deep water culture. In DWC, plants sit in net pots over a deep nutrient reservoir. Air pumps provide constant oxygen. Nutrient film technique. In NFT, a thin, continuous stream of nutrient solution flows over bare roots in a channel. These methods are effective for many crops. Lettuce, spinach, kale herbs, like basil and mint, making it a versatile choice for home growers. Advantages. Easier and less expensive to set up than aeroponics. Components are widely available and the learning curve is forgiving. Brief power outages or short pump failures aren't immediately catastrophic since roots remain submerged. That resilience is a valuable buffer for beginners. Hydroponics reliably produces excellent yields for common vegetables and herbs, making it a dependable workhorse for home food production. However, it's important to consider the potential drawbacks. Aeroponics. Growing on air and mist. Aeroponics represents a significant leap forward in soilless cultivation, taking the core concepts of hydroponics to a more technologically advanced level. Aeroponics represents a significant leap forward, taking the core concepts of hydroponics to a more technologically advanced level. In an aeroponic system, plants are suspended in a closed or semi-closed environment, with their roots dangling freely in the air, hence the name. Instead of being submerged in water, these exposed roots are periodically bathed in a fine, nutrient-rich mist. This mist is generated by high-pressure pumps that atomize the nutrient solution, creating a humid, oxygen-rich atmosphere that is the ideal environment for root development. The plants get everything they need from this gentle spray, absorbing water and nutrients with incredible efficiency. The true magic of aeroponics lies in the unparalleled access to oxygen that the roots enjoy. Between misting cycles, the roots are exposed to the open air, allowing them to breathe in a way that is simply not possible in soil or water. This abundance of oxygen supercharges the plant's metabolic processes, leading to faster nutrient uptake and, consequently, dramatically accelerated growth rates. Many studies and commercial growers report that aeroponics can produce plants faster than any other cultivation method. This efficiency also extends to resource use. Since the nutrient solution is delivered as a targeted mist, aeroponics uses significantly less water and fewer nutrients than hydroponics. The list of pros for aeroponics is certainly impressive. Its minimal water usage makes it an exceptionally sustainable choice, especially in arid regions or for environmentally conscious growers. The superior oxygenation of the root zone not only boosts growth speed, but also promotes healthier, more robust root systems, which can lead to higher yields and better quality produce. The clean, isolated nature of the system also reduces the risk of disease transmission between plants. This makes aeroponics a particularly excellent choice for propagating valuable clones and growing high-value crops like specialty greens, herbs, and even certain fruiting plants that benefit from the precise environmental control it offers. The 2025 verdict: choosing your soilless path. After carefully examining both systems, we arrive at a decision for the modern grower in 2025. The choice isn't which system is objectively better, it's which is best for you. Decide based on personal goals, experience level, budget-specific crops. For most people, curious beginners, seasoned home gardeners, hydroponics is the clear, sensible winner. It balances performance, affordability, and forgiveness. If you're just starting, hydroponics is the superior choice. Lower upfront cost and simpler mechanics make it an easy introduction. Hydroponics' resilience, roots and water, gives you a safety net while you learn. It produces reliable results for many crops: butter lettuce, fragrant basil. Hydroponics is dependable, accessible, and effective for a bountiful home harvest. Aeroponics is the high-performance option. Experienced grower, commercial farmer, serious hobbyist. If you want maximum growth speed, extreme water savings, and can invest in tech and monitoring, choose Aeroponics.